Hey everyone, Lane here from Maker's Lane. So I've started to move into my new shop. It's not 100% done. I gotta do some flooring and some other stuff, install a door, like light fixturing and things like that. But right now, I'm about to set up my computer and get everything so that I can start moving my actual editing studio down into the shop. However, right now I'm just using a pair of side tables and a board as a desk, and I really want to build something custom for this space. Right now this is all sitting over here. What I actually want to use it for is my 3D printer. I want to put my 3D printer, soldering station, a couple other things that I want to keep clean. That's what I want for this space here. So I'm not 100% upset with the setup I have, but for as far as my monitors and everything, I want something a little bit different. And I plan on having it over the corner over here, mainly because it's a little bit darker. So there's two windows on either side here, and that corner is a little bit darker, which I kind of like. It's good if you don't want a whole lot of backlight on your screens. So that's where I'm planning on putting it. Like I said, I want to build something custom, and I actually had a company reach out to me. They're a standing desk company, which I'm not set on the whole standing desk. I'm not against it, but they sent it out to me, so I'm going to do a review for them. So this desk is actually going to be a two-part video, and in this video, all I'm going to do is basically review the standing desk. It's actually a company called Flexispot. What's that called? So this is just the standing desk part. So this is what they sent me out. I'm not actually 100% on what the end product will look like. I've kind of gone over a couple things, whether I'm going to make it like a live edge or like something that has like more metal work into it. I'm not 100% on it. All I know is that I need a base, obviously, and this will be a great start to it. I never actually used a standing desk, so I'm kind of interested on whether or not I will be happy with the function. So this will be a corner desk, but regardless of what the end product looks like, right now I need to get this out, see what it's all about, and see if it will facilitate what I have in store as far as the rest of the desk project. So yeah, let's open the box and see what's inside. Today's special knife thanks is to a random scraper I found laying around my house. It does the job, so thanks, one of the previous owners. Well, I have to say, first impressions of getting this out of the box, it is way more robust than I thought it would be. I honestly thought this was going to be like some cheap knockoff like steel. Like this stuff, I mean, it's got some weight to it. I mean, it's thick.
That's what she said.
I mean, look at this. Like these are legit welds. Like that's a legit weld right there. And so that means, I mean, this is pretty legit. Like,
I used to be legit. In fact, I was too legit. I was too legit to quit. But now, I'm not legit. I'm unlegit. And for that reason, I must quit.
I honestly did not expect this at all. I mean, I guess I should have, knowing how heavy the box was, but there's not a whole lot of components here, but it's still, it's thick. Very, very dense material.
That's what she said?
But yeah, so what you see is basically what you get. I'm guessing these are the two legs that go up and down. This is going to be the two bottom plates. These are going to probably be on top. That's probably going to be the cross member. It comes with a couple electronics. Looks pretty straightforward. Here's a picture of what it should look like when it is complete. But yeah, kind of like what I said, I'm just going to build this today and make sure that it functions as well as it should, and then like maybe point out some of the features that come with it. As of right now, I'm happy with what it is, and along the way, if I find anything that I feel necessary to point out, I will point it out. Okay, moment of truth. Hey! Let's see if it goes up. Alright! That's pretty quick too. But look, it's got a direct readout on it. That's pretty cool. I gotta show you this. Look, as I go up, it tells you how tall you are. That's pretty, it's very quiet. That's pretty nice. So obviously, when they have you build this, they assume that you have either purchased one of their countertops or have your own countertops. So all these boxes, so this will mount to that actual tabletop, and so will this. It mounts underneath. That's what these two holes are for, and what these two and this guy are for. That's fine. It's got holes to secure the countertop in as well. It comes with a couple of screws for that. The actual assembly of this thing was super easy. There's not a whole lot to it. I mean, maybe all in all, you have to put like 5 things together. I mean, it's pretty straightforward too. Like once you look at the diagram, if you know how to put IKEA furniture together, you can put this together. Is basically what I'm saying. The one thing, however, that I would say I wish they kind of did a better job of, and that I kind of foresee me having an issue with, is the fact that they don't have any really good cable management. If you're not worried about seeing cords, then it's not a big deal. But if you want to make it neat and clean, you're definitely going to have, obviously, this cord showing. They do have a lot of cool stuff on their website. They have an L-shaped one. This is a great start for my custom desk. This thing actually extends out, and so you can make it up to a 6-foot table, I think is what it said. 52 inches. I mean, obviously you can make it as big as you want, but the legs, they move out another 2 foot from this current position, which I think this is 4 foot across. So I think it does 6 foot. Okay, so I was going to just basically end the video there. However, after working on editing the video up in my old office, I really didn't like that you didn't get a kind of a feel or a vibe of like what my feeling was for it, because like the room wasn't finished. There's a bunch of things that were incomplete. I did a couple more things, not necessarily with the desk itself, but just kind of getting this whole area ready for the vibe that I'm looking for this office and what I plan on doing with this desk, so that you kind of get a better understanding of where I'm trying to go with it. I guess kind of get you to be hyped for the next video when I actually go ahead and start working on this. So I went through, the first thing I did was I finished the floor because it was still concrete and really doesn't have a good office vibe, or it's not the one I was going for. So I finished the concrete, put some molding up. I actually finished the window treatments too. I put some metal and then spray painted the frames black, put some blinds up, hung a bunch of pictures on the wall, and then I moved a little bit of furniture in. So now I feel like it kind of has the vibe that I was looking for and the feel I was going for. So the big thing that I want to do for this is completely hide these legs at all, but at the same time make it so that if I want to extend the desk, it can. So I'm going to have covers that go over this desk. All of my cords and everything will be hidden. Like I said earlier, the cable management's not the greatest. They do come with these like things that you can stick on the back, but again, you can still see the cables, and the cable management's white and everything else is black, so it doesn't really match. But it does come with some cable management. But like I said, I'd rather go through the entire channel and like come out like one of the legs, so you have like one cable that runs everything. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, I think I still don't know what I'm going to do for the top. I do have it in the corner here, and these computers barely fit off the edge of the desk itself. So I'm definitely going to have to build it bigger, and I also want to shove it back in the corner some more. But yeah, that's basically it. That's the vibe I was going for. Hopefully it turns out well. Obviously I haven't built it yet, so I don't know how it's going to turn out. I may end up not doing another video because I don't actually complete it and I just get lazy and say this is fine. I don't know. I haven't decided. I have decided. It's going to be another video. Anyways, yeah, if you have any questions or you are interested in purchasing this, the link will be in the description below. Ask any questions you need to. Check out their website. They got a bunch of cool stuff on there, not just this. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Until next time, I'm Lane for Maker's Lane. You guys have a good one.